Want to explore Elementor's template library and design your website like a pro? Let me walk you through it step by step. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. First, open your browser and head to your WordPress admin panel. From the left-hand menu, click on Templates and go to Kit Library. Here, you'll find a variety of niche-based kits. I picked one and clicked on View Demo. It may take a few seconds to load, but once it does, you'll see a full theme with pages like Home, About, eBooks, and Contact, giving you an idea of how your site will look once applied. You can also click View Demo on any page to preview it as a full web page. If you like it, click Apply Kit in the top right corner. If not, simply close the preview and move on. Next, go back to the WordPress admin panel, click Templates, and select Saved Templates. Click Add New Template and name it something like Example Page. Hit Create Template and you'll be taken to the Elementor editor. Here, you'll see the Elementor library. Hover over any template to see an Insert button. Click it to add the template to your page. You can also switch to blocks by clicking the top ribbon. Choose a category, like Contact, and browse different block options. Once you find one you like, click Insert and then Apply. Elementor will take a few moments to load, and your page will now look exactly like the design you selected. You can edit everything from text to buttons at any time. That's it. You're ready to customize and publish your new page. So, ready to unleash your inner designer? Elementor is my favorite tool. Use the affiliate link below to kick off your design adventure today. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.